regular peel. So I'm going to leave my hands out to the side only because to emphasize the technique and what's going on here in the torso. If I put my hand here, it blocks it, although technically your hand should be by your side. So the peel, feet flat on the ground, make sure the knees stay vertical, posterior pelvic tilt, and on the inside it's called a root lock. Now peel yourself off the ground, starting from your tailbone up. Press with your feet, and you peel. You should feel your behind come up first, and then you'll feel each backbone start to lift up. It's the feet pushing into the ground that's extending your hips up. And you'll feel your ribs leave the ground, and then you'll be kind of like your mid-back, and maybe to your shoulder, and that's when you pause. When you feel stuck, that's where you stop. So hopefully I look a little bit like a bicycle ramp from my knee to my shoulder. I don't have the divots in my hips and whatnot. And then peel yourself back down. So now it's the opposite. Mid-back. That's taking a little while. Into the lumbar. At the very, very, very end, it's a little tricky. There. And relax. So hopefully it looks like it's peeling off the ground. So the first of the odd peels is the frog. We've done this before, but we'll do it again. Start in the butterfly position, feet touching. Technically your hands would be by your side, but I'm leaving my hand out here so you can see the torso. Same thing, root lock, posterior pelvic tilt, push down with your feet, and you peel. Glutes first, then your low back, and then your mid back. And hopefully I've got that same kind of almost bicycle ramp look, and then I'll come back the other way. Peel the ribs down first. It's a posterior pelvic tilt all the way down until the glutes are safe on the ground. And then last but not least is the pigeon peel. So the pigeon peel is just the opposite. Thighs come together and your feet are out to the side. You've got to squeeze your thighs together, and this is going to be a little more quad driven. You'll feel this a little more in your quads. Same thing. Posterior pelvic tilt, root lock, peel yourself off the ground. So this is like internal rotation and extension. That's about it for me here. But I'm constantly working on trying to tuck my pelvis under and keep my ribs down. And then slowly peel back. And those are the different peels. Give it a try.